Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this CUP TV episode brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to make a gorgeous kit from Amy Perry. The CUP number for the kit is CUP 847923_983. The kit is called the Handyman 8x8 mini kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit. I'm going to run through the 4 that you get and then we're going to make the card. Now you also get a kit front as well to show you how the card will look. So the first sheet in the kit is the insert sheet. This is for an 8x8 square card. So this is the plain insert sheet, and then you get the insert sheet that's already got a sentiment on it, and it says best wishes on your special day. And you also get 2 extra handyman panels as well. You also get the card front with lots of sentiments and a blank one if you want to add your own message. And then you also get the decoupage pieces to build the card front. So it's a gorgeous kit, ideal for any DIYer, male or female, and you'll be able to turn it into any special occasion with all the sentiments. So I'm going to use a blank 8x8 square card. Now I've got to admit I've made the card myself just out of white card from using an 8x8 square and an 8x9 square. I then score an inch and add the card together to make the card itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of the smaller panels that Amy's included in the kit, and I'm going to add this just to the back of the card. Now I've got flat tape on the back of this, and I'm just going to add it roughly in the centre towards the bottom, like so, and press it down. And then I'm going to turn my attention to the insert. So we can add the insert, and I've picked the insert with the sentiment on, and I've cut it out from the sheet, and I've just got flat tape on the back of it. And I can peel the tape away and then position the insert in the centre of the card. And then I can press it down. There we go. And that's our inside done. So we can turn our attention to the outside of the card. Now the base of the card has the full image, the handyman image. Helps if I get it the right way around. And so this is on flat tape. So I can peel the back away. And when I say flat tape, that's a double-sided adhesive tape. So we can add that through the centre of our card. Like that, and then press it down. And now the decoupage, I've already cut it out and I've mounted it on the 3D foam on the back. So I've taken some glossy accents and I've simply highlighted the parts in the spirit level and the end of the brush, and then I can position the decoupage on top of the previous image, and we're building up the parts. There we go. So I'm just placing it over the top, and then I can press it down, and that's our first layer of our decoupage. Our next layer is going to be the centre wood panel again, and Amy's included this, so you just simply cut them out, add the 3D foam on the back, and then build up the layers. There we go. We've got the saw handle, and again I've just added a little bit of glossy accents on the screw heads on the saw and the top of the hammer, and we can press that down. And then the sentiment that I've picked Happy Birthday. Again, it's on 3D foam, and I'm just going to place it through the centre of the wood panel. There we go. And that is our card finished. And you can see the layers, how they've built up, and that's an ideal card for any handyman or handy woman. Gorgeous insert that matches perfectly, and our little emblem on the back that just ties everything in nicely. So I'll just remind you of the number from Amy for the handyman kit, and it's cup number 847923_983. Please be sure to check it out and check out the other designs by Amy, because she's got a gorgeous array of designs. And I just hope you've enjoyed watching, and this has just shown you how gorgeous this design can be. So thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you next time.